Today, we are going to learn about where the animals live. Now let's begin. Yay!
Which one is suitable for the dog to live in?
Oh, the dog is so cute, but where do he live? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh look, the cute dog is in his doghouse. Yay!
Which one is suitable for a cat to live in?
Look at that happy cat. Where do she live? You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look, the cat is on the cat bed. So let's go.
Which one is suitable for the bird to live in?
Oh, look at that bird. He's singing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that cute little bird. It's in the birdhouse. You got it?
Which one is suitable for the fish to live in?
Look, the dolphin is going to the flowers. Where should he live? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh look, Nemo is in the tank. Did you see that? Kids, so let's go.
Which one is suitable for a cow to live in?
Look at those cute cows. What is the answer? Look, the cow is in the barn. Did you got that, kids? Then let's go.
Which one is suitable for a pig to live in?
Where should he live? He looks cute. Where should he live? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The pig is in the mud. Did you got the answer? Then let's go.
Which one is suitable for a chicken to live in?
Look at those chicks. Where should they live? What's the answer? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look, the boy chick is in the coop. Did you got that, kids? Then let's go.
Which one is suitable for a bear to live in?
Where should he live? The bear is eating the berries. Where should he live? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look, the bear is in the cave. They got that, kids? Cute bear. Good job, kids. Bye and have a wonderful day. Bye.